In this video, you will learn how to solve this nice Olympiad exam question. We are asked to find the value for x. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Now let's solve this question. To solve this question, what we simply need to do is we're going to consider taking the cube of both sides. Now, if we take the cube of both sides, what will the solution be? If we take the cube of both sides, this will now make the solution to be equal to, remember a law of indices, that we have a to the power of x multiplied by y. This can also be equal to a to the power of y multiplied by x. So if we apply this expression over here, you're going to see that that expression will now give us, this will give us x to the power of 3. The power 3 will come inside, while we'll have the x to the power of 3 going out. And this will be equal to 729 to the power of 3. So how do we simplify 729? Remember that 729 can be equal to 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9, and this will be equal to 9 to the power of 3. So 9 to the power of 3 is 729. So we can replace it with that expression. So we'll have x to the power of 3 all multiplied by x to the power of 3 to be equal to 9 to the power of 3 multiplied by the power of 3. Great. Now let's simplify this further. If we simplify this further, you'll come to see that according to the law of indices, this 9 will multiply the power of 3 multiplied by 3, and this will be equal to x to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 3. So what do we have here? We're going to have this expression to now become x to the power of 3 all to the power of x to the power of 3, and this will be equal to 9 to the power of 9. Now come to you see a unique thing, that the base is same with the base and the power is same with the what? The power or exponent. So what will this give us? If we have a to the power of a to be equal to x to the power of x, definitely our a will be equal to x, as long as x is greater than or equal to 1. So if we apply that here, you come to see that x to the power of 3 is equal to 9. So we can simplify this to get the value of x. Now let's take the cube root of both sides. We take the cube root of both sides, we are going to have this to be what? The cube root of 9. So what will happen? Cube root will clear cube root, right? And then we'll have x to be equal to the cube root of 9. And the cube root of 9 can also be written as 9 to the power of 1 divided by 3. And remember, 9 to the power of 9 divided by 3 can be equal to 9 squared multiplied by 1 divided by 3. So this can be equal to 3 to the power of 2 divided by what? 3. And that is the value of what? X. So if x is equal to 2, the power of 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 as the solution, we can simply check to confirm if that our solution is absolutely right. Now let's substitute the value of x equal to 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 into that expression. So what do we have? We have x to the power of x to the power of what? 3. Will that expression give us 7 to 9? Let's check it out. Now if we simplify that, we'll have this to become 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3, right? Multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3, and all of these will be to the power of 3. Now you notice that this will clear this, and then that expression will give us 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3, all to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Now 3 to the power of 2 will give us what? That will give us 9. So we'll have 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 multiplied by the power of 9. Definitely, if the exponent multiplies the exponent, 9 will divide 3 to give us 3. So we'll have 3 to the power of 2 times 3 will give us 6. Now, will 3 to the power of 6 give us 729? Let's point our calculator. We'll have 3 to the power of 6. Is it equal to 729? Sure, it is. That is what? 729. So that tells us that x equal to 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 is the solution that truly satisfies that exponential equation that is given to us up here. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.